Gratitude is a lens. Today, look for blessings in even ordinary moments. The way you choose to see life changes how life feels. A quiet, powerful way of seeing the world, not through the eyes of luck, pressure, or comparison, but through appreciation, through presence, through awareness. A lens affects focus, and gratitude helps you focus on what's good, meaningful, and present instead of only what's missing or stressful. Gratitude doesn't mean life is flawless. It doesn't mean you ignore pain, disappointment, or the weight you carry. It simply means choosing to recognize that even in difficult seasons, there is still something beautiful worth holding into. Because when you begin to see life through the lens of gratitude, your perspective changes. What once felt ordinary begins to feel meaningful. What once felt unnoticed begins to feel precious. And what once felt lacking slowly becomes enough. Notice the quiet miracles hidden in your everyday life, the moments of peace, the simple joys, the love that still surrounds you in different forms. Not every blessing arrives loudly. Some come gently, disguised as ordinary moments. And as you move through today, may your heart learn to recognize the beauty in what once felt ordinary. Because sometimes the smallest moments carry the greatest blessings.